G'day, it's Belinda here from Gallivanting Oz, and that's awesome you're looking to explore one of our iconic road trips in Australia from Adelaide to Darwin. And thank you for wanting to find out more about our fabulous product, Motorhome Plus. Every motorhomer has a unique vision of what makes the perfect holiday, and motorhome holidays in particular are loved for their ease in tailoring the very best travel experience to reflect your personal interests and travel style. Planning for a big road trip is definitely part of the excitement, but it can also be a little daunting, especially on some of Australia's iconic but huge routes like Adelaide to Darwin, which literally covers thousands of kilometres with amazing destinations, attractions and campsites, all to be researched along the way. Now this is where we can help. With escorted motorhome tours running along these routes every year, and the huge volume of feedback received from our Freedom motorhome travellers, we know this route inside out and can let you know all the best spots to visit, the places to stay, and the best things to see and do. Our Motorhome Plus guides makes planning your trip a breeze. Motorhome Plus has been designed by travel experts who have extensive local knowledge and experience. We provide you with a comprehensive list of the best tried and tested campsites along your route and all the must-see activities and hidden gems, complete with contact details and website links so you can book with ease. You'll receive concise summaries of regions you'll be travelling through, the worthy detours and any special events co-occurring through your trip. Our package also includes maps, distance guides, itinerary suggestions and a journey planner spreadsheet for you to customise and so much more. We give you everything you need, saving you hours of research.